Hi, my Raven fans. I just received a present from my friend Garmin watch, and he's sent me this present, and his instruction was, Oleg, as you as real estate broker, your time has to be more efficient, and I'm software engineer, and I give you this watch to find homes for your customers, because you can do time travel. You can jump in a time using this app I'm pre-installed to this Garmin watch. Really? I'm really skeptical about it, but I just got this watch, never used it before, and let me try it. So I have to press 3 times stop button, and I'm supposed to be in destination when I want to be in 2 seconds. What was that? I need to get back to my office. I need to do 2 minutes Tuesday market update for my clients. Watch, please. What an incredible piece of technology. I'm so excited to have this watch, and now I can be fastest agent on the planet Earth. If you need me, I can be there in 2 seconds.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we
Just
do.
bring some data for you guys today, and what I can tell you on all Eastside markets, I include all cities, from Newcastle to the Basel. We have 73 homes just went on the market this week, and also 42 properties changed status from active to pending this week, and we have 82 homes sold this week in settled Eastside market. But this data is more interesting too, because I'm pulled King County and more cities, more markets, and first time I see some areas market went down dramatically, like Bellevue, for example. West Bellevue went down for this year in January almost for 27%, and that's a lot. And we see other areas when the prices went down and some area prices went up. This is interesting. This is the first time I'm seeing these price changes. The buyers is really mobilized right now, and we see more sales, and we see a little bit less inventory. On the sales Eastside market, we have inventory change from 2.7 months 2 months ago to 1.8 months right now, and which is good sign. And I think we have less inventory because buyers buying properties right now. For this week, I decided to choose city of Kirkland, and my favorite listing is listed with Windermere, listed for $1,495,000. It's a brand new PUD. It's a zero property lot line homes with very low HUA dues, like $100 a month. Property is 3,000 square feet, amazing location, very close to marina, walking distance to the library, walking distance to the urban development, and I'm seeing this property going to be sold this week. That's it for today. If you guys like this episode, smash like button and reach out to me. I have this new technology right now, and if you guys need me, I can be in your place in 2 seconds.